Hello friends, how are you all? You are watching this crypto channel. I am Samir. Friends who want to earn crypto for free, create a Binance account quickly. The link is in the description below. And friends who have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and like the video. And watch the video till the end, then claim the code. And friends who share the code in groups are requested not to do so. So let's start today's video. Today's first red packet code is RTKEIHRS. This is today's special red packet code. Don't forget to claim it. Next red packet code is 86GTX8B7R will claim. We'll open the box. Next red packet code is KSFVKCE7 will claim. Open the box. Next red packet code is DQJKS4IV